never knew it, yeah.
Wow. Hanging out at Frank's garage. Look at all this cool stuff. Wow. All the signs, all the little happy stuff. Retirement heaven, huh? What a beast. What a beast. What a beast. Look at the pistons, or the cylinders, one on each side. Wow. Look at the size of that axle. Wow. Look at all this cool stuff. There's Frank over there and Jerry letting me walk around, see all the cool stuff. Oh yeah. Wow.
Oh, that's the roof. Yeah, that's like a 9M. Well, I don't want to screw the guy's whole deal, so let's go through Saturday and then we'll do that. If you're interested in it, yeah, sure. Let's go buy another one. Yeah, this garage used to have 30 go-karts in it.
30 go-karts, huh?
Well, between here and the shed over here.
Wow.
I had 3 little semis. I had double seat. I did that. Could we do that with mine? Oh yeah. You just have to make a bracket for it. And find another seat. Yeah. So how many years did it take you to accumulate all this? I'd say probably 5 or 10, something like that. That's it? Yeah. Oh, I thought you were throwing like a 20-something out there.
Wow.
So I started getting into shipping. I just every time something would come up online.
What a garage. Wow. You didn't see my National Car Hauler, did you?
What's that? That's what we just used.
Yeah. This one towed us back here. Beautiful little collection. All the toys. These are cool too, with a small wheel in the front, or the tight, whatever you want to call it. I love this stuff too. That's so cool. And it's got a nice little wagon for it. Wow. And another John Deere. Talk about powerhouse. Wow. How cool is that? Super cool. Thank you, Frank. When you gotta collect them, you gotta collect all of it. And there she goes. Good little runner. Wow. Ready to go. Purring like a kitten. Wow. There's your chance. What do we have here? Look at the ear. Wow. She's ready to go, isn't she?
You betcha, yeah. There's not even any cranking on that. It's just going.
I know. She just fired right up. All right. How many hours a week do you spend cleaning it?
Actually, not that much because it's all chrome.
Yeah.
If it was aluminum, see, the guy that built the car, he didn't believe in polishing aluminum.
Yeah.
So he had everything chromed. It's just Windex and clean it. That's all.
Makes it nice. And about this one?
That one there, I've had that one for quite a while. I use that. The farm here in town uses that for the weddings.
Wow.
1928 Model A.
Got the right plates and stuff.
Yep. Actually, I just purchased plates for the Hebrews last night.
Awesome.
Of course you did.
Wow. What a car. A true Phaeton, huh?
Yeah, if nobody interested, it's for sale.
It's for sale too, huh?
Yeah.
What are you asking?
I'd take 15 on it.
15?
Yeah.
Okay. So if they want to call you.
Frank, 714-390-8068.
All right, one more time.
714-390-8068. Frank.
Beautiful. Yeah, call and talk to Frank. You might be able to get this Phaeton for him. This thing's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is gorgeous. It runs really good.
Wow.
It's been sitting for a long time, so at least the carburetor redone, but
Yeah.
that's so easy on these.